Motors family. This is the 1999 Nissan Serena. It is 4x4. It has the 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. It has 24,269 original miles. It does have 4 doors along with both of the rear doors sliding and 1 rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Alright, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. The lights do go away. This vehicle also comes in kilometers, not miles. The number down here, 39,058. That is the kilometers. The miles on this vehicle, again, is 24,269. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are at the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Also, for more information, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we would be happy to answer them for you. We do appreciate you guys. Thank you for the continual support. We really do appreciate it. Y'all have a blessed and safe day.